Brothers and sisters, it was on this auspicious day of the great Chhath festival that our beloved wife, Bharti Devi, also known as Rita Devi, was born, and it was at the conclusion of this very festival that she passed away. This festival is the mother of all complete fasts and worship. This festival is the mother of all inventions in the entire world. This festival is the one that conquers death. This festival provides a true glimpse of complete miracles. This festival purifies the 5 elements. This festival involves the purification of the entire body, mind, speech, actions, and worship materials, which are completely clean, fresh, and new fruits. This festival purifies the environment in this way. Firstly, the life-giving air in the morning from 3:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. is considered Amritvu, nectar-like air, which purifies the life force. And this element is also obtained during sunset in the evening. Secondly, the earth, the place where the devotees perform the fast, is cleaned. Those observing the fast, restless from the heat of the poison, lie down on the earth. This provides them with grounding, energy, and strength from the earth. The body is purified by the earth. Thirdly, one has to remain hungry for 36 hours during this fast. This burns away all the toxins, impurities, insects, and dirt inside the body in that fire. And at various places along the path, fire pits are made, in which valuable herbs, dry wood, and dry coconuts from the forest are offered as oblations. This completely purifies the atmosphere and environment of that place. In places inhabited by various kinds of creatures and animals, loud noises are made to scare them away. Drums are beaten, sticks are struck together, wood is hit, or a large drum, nagara, is played. This causes all the creatures and animals to leave, clearing the path. When someone performing a ritual enters the water, and the sacred milk of a cow is poured before them, and in front of the rays of the rising sun, a powerful reaction occurs. The person performing the ritual receives this energy through their breath, through their skin, and through all the countless pores in their body. They receive this energy through all the pores, and by doing so, they overcome death and attain eternal life. When entering the water, one must take all kinds of fresh fruits in hand and in a bowl, and at sunrise, perform certain rituals, revolve around, and the milk poured before it provides all kinds of energy to the body, grounding it, removing toxins and poisons, and the nectar enters the body, giving it new life. This vow has been observed in our Jambudvipa, Indian subcontinent, since the ancient human era. This is not an ordinary vow. There should be no carelessness whatsoever. In this
गुणों का
vow,
दर्शन
one
प्राप्त होता है,
directly
देखने को मिलता है,
experiences
इधर उधर
and
भटकने
witnesses
वाली सत्ता के साथ साथ
invaluable
प्रतिक्रिया दिखाई
qualities.
पड़ती है।
You don't need to
क्या है
wander
प्रश्न
here
क्या
and
है?
there.
प्रकृति की पूजा
The
क्या है?
direct
ये
results
प्रकृति की पूजा
are
है,
visible.
शरीर ही प्रकृति
What
है।
is purity? What is worship
अतः
of nature?
भाइयों और
This is
बहनों
the
से
worship of
हमारा
nature.
प्रार्थना है
The body itself
कि
is
अंधविश्वास
nature.
से रहित होकर
Therefore, we request our
और
brothers and
प्रकृति
sisters to
के
take
शरण में
refuge
जाइए,
in nature, free from
अंधविश्वास से बचिए,
blind faith.
ढोंग
Avoid
से बचिए,
blind faith. Avoid
जमीन दान करो, घर
hypocrisy.
दान करो, थरिया दान करो,
Avoid
फलाना दान करो,
donating
फलाना ये करो,
land,
वो करो,
donating
सब बहुमूल्य समय
houses,
को बचाकर
donating
वास्तविक
utensils, donating
प्राकृतिक
this and that.
पूजा के तरफ ध्यान
Avoid
दीजिए।
blind faith. Jai to the
तरह-तरह का
Guru of
अशुद्धि
knowledge.
शरीर में पैदा करने वाले से बचिए, जो भी शरीर को रोगी बनाता हो, दुख का कारण बनता है, इससे बचिए। आपसे यही हमारा प्रार्थना है, हमारा निवेदन स्वीकार कीजिए। गुरु ज्ञान की जय हो।